Hi guys, Luke from Lucas Cars. Today we've got Matt's Golf R in and we're going to do a res delete. Yeah, we've got Sam as well today to help. First time with the unit and all that good stuff. Should be a pretty simple install, they say, but until we actually do that, we will see. It's basically the box under there, which I don't know if I can even get that. I can't see the screen, to be honest with you. It's basically just a box that deadens the sound, and we're going to be swapping it with that pipe and getting some loud noises. So rather than me rambling and all that sort of stuff, we're just going to get straight to it. Currently the car is just standard, so this is the first exhaust modification change to it. So when we do the sound clips, this will be if you do a res delete to your Golf R, this is what it will sound like. So enjoy the video. Going to be quite raw with it and show you how difficult or how easy it is. It's probably one of them things where you watch a video and go, so easy, just chop it off, slide it in, but we'll see. We'll see how we get on as unexperienced mechanics. This is our take on a res delete on a Golf R, so enjoy the video. So the first stage that we're doing is we need to get rid of this, or take this clamp off. One side's just a 13mm, the other side's just a round nut end, I don't know, it's a round bolt end, I don't know what you want to call it. It's just fucking round, you can't get anything on it currently. So I've started cracking one end and then that end's just spinning now, so we'll probably just have to...
As long as it's loose?
Yeah, it is loose.
That whole sleeve wiggle?
It won't, yeah, I need to do the other one. I'll undo the other one and see how we're at.
And give it a bit of Asian persuasion. Tap it with a knife. And bicep.
Pumping. Crusty.
So many mum jokes. Right, is that loose now? Can we move that bracket round?
I'm going to undo this one as much as I can until it starts spinning. So we've just dropped the exhaust section. It wasn't actually that bad, to be honest. It was 13mm with them dodgy bits that I was trying to tell you about. Just pop the exhaust hanger off there and the lower back one, and then it basically dropped off. The only awkward bit is these plugs, which we couldn't find anything about, but you just basically push that back and just pull it out. It's pretty easy once you know how to do it. But Matt's just going to start the car for us just so we can hear it, because we're very intrigued.
Yeah, boy! She got me popping today!
Wow, race car!
Should we leave it like that?
Yeah, let's leave it dangling. So here's the section of the exhaust that we're dealing with, just pulled out now so you can see everything. And then you can see like properly laid out what we're doing. So this is the section that we're putting in, which replaces this box section. Basically the way we're marking this up is that, so this section slides into the clamp that I undid, which you saw. This also has like the tapered end which will just slide in. So that side we do nothing with. This side we have to chop to length. So we've marked it out, basically chopped that, and then this will slide into that section, and it should be right. So it's just one cut, slide in, put a clamp on, and then it should be just put back on. It shouldn't be too difficult, it says. Just a quick video update section. It's been like 3 hours maybe since the last clip. It's one of them, it's like, oh, it's a 5-minute job, but there never is. It's not actually anything major. The bit when we'll say no, it just slides in together, they're the same size, so it didn't slide in together. So we've had to travel to Warsaw, or whatever you call it, to get these lovely clamps. Where was it from, Sam?
The Exhaust Parts UK.
Yeah, so thanks to that guy at Exhaust Parts UK for getting these clamps for us. So, well, I mean, we fetched them and bought them off him, but it's there. But yeah, that'll basically connect that to that. Same for the other side. Shouldn't be too bad now.
John's a fish.
Just chopped it down slightly. Took off the bit that we thought would slide in, just like an inch off. Drummed it, tidied it up, and then just basically going to see how it fits on the car now. So yeah, let's just crack on with that really. So we got them bits on now, that actually wasn't too bad. So the clamp is on there and where it was. Where the fuck were the clamps now that we've just tightened up? I can't even see them. There's one there and the other one that we've done. They've tied up, literally that, plugged it back in. And now Matthew is going to start the car for the first time. So we get to experience what a res delete is on a Golf R.
What, give it some?
It's a bit like an RS6.
Just done it. Get a bit more.
Wow, what do you think? First road test with Matt's Golf R with the Res Delete. He's gonna go off whenever he's ready with some sound clips. Definitely popping.
It is, yeah.
Probably would have been better to get up. All the pops. Happy?
There's an air leak.
Is there?
Yeah.
The fork. Shabby craftsmanship, isn't that? So, to an extension to the video of the Golf R, that's cooling down now whilst we've just tested it and then cool down, then we can tighten the bolts on and it should be all good then. Craig's now here with his car. And what are we doing today, Craig, with your car?
Put a Decat on it.
Wow, more exhaust jobs. So I'm going to document some of Craig doing just decatting this so you can hear the S15 with the decat on.
Call those national tyres.
Yeah, we're getting all the exhaust work done today. Specialists, come to us for all your exhaust needs.
Go through exhaust shell.
Yeah. Yeah, Ibiza's next weekend.
Isn't it?
Yeah. 50 quid and we'll put any exhaust on any car. Done today. Just so people can see what we're taking out, this section here is what he's unbolted, and then we basically just put in a replacement piece, I think. It's just that small section, isn't it?
Yeah, it's this bit here.
Shouldn't be too bad, he says. This is the bit that we retimed, wasn't it?
5 feet.
Yeah, this is the bit that fell off.
Yeah, this fell off like,
Extension.
it's probably a month ago now, we'll say. It doesn't really matter time. So. Take that off, put the new one in, and then we get to hear the car. Which you might not have heard the car when it was what it was before, because it's got a, what exhaust systems on it, Craig, just so people... What exhaust systems on it?
It's got some... It's all Jap speed stuff from the downpipe, and then it's a Blitz spec cat. No, not cat back.
Yeah. Just so people are aware of what systems on it out of interest if they're like, oh. And then we'll get to it with the Decat, which should be pretty cool.
Have you got the valves open?
No.
Cat.
Ah, there's a cat loose in the garage.
What's the difference between?
Oh, wow, okay. So is that going to make that loud?
Oh, they're quite a bit louder.
Education with Craig. Nothing. Stuff.
No
Nothing.
stuff is better.
Yeah. Weight reduction. It's the only reason we're doing this actually. Is it the same brand?
No.
No. It looks
Jap said this is a drift shop one.
You can just cut that.
You could, but I don't know how easy of a job that is.
Get some food as well,
He's hungry, though. Hungry boy.
I'm always hungry. Only yes now,
Literally, you
okay?
just have to look for
This is better, although the MOT department might not agree with that.
Nah, it's fine. It's
Nor will the British
This
government.
isn't a road car. This is strictly just off-road car.
Yeah, I've got to do it.
Do you want me to help at all? Do you need me at any point? I will assist.
I may need you to go and pull the exhaust backwards
That's fine.
from the back.
Yeah, we can do that. It's not hot, is it? No, we're all good. You ready?
What did it wham?
Do you need to pull it?
1 second. Yeah, if you could pull it, please.
Is that good? Is this helping?
Yeah, let go of it. Thank you.
That's installed now. Just quickly show you. I mean, you know what it looks like anyway. I can't. It's too dark. But it's the focus camera. It's on. It's just the same as the other one, but just bolted on basically. But it's obviously a Decat rather than a Cat.
First sound test, which is going to be exciting, isn't it, Craig?
Very.
This will be fun. I don't like these being here. It's going to be very loud. It's only loud anyway in here. This is going to be even louder.
Right.
Here we go.
Ready?
Yeah. It's quite hard to tell how loud it was before, because I know it was really loud in here anyway. I mean, you'll probably know better than me.
It's a bit louder. I didn't expect it to be much louder on mine, like. Give it a rev.
Yeah.
It has got some heat in it, it's not been left for long.
Yeah, Craig's not an idiot.
It's still warm.
It probably would when it was like warm or whatnot.
That was a lot louder.
Yeah, fucking hell. Yeah.
I've got poison.
The doors are open, it's okay, we're getting oxygen flow. Somewhat. That sounds mint though, that's very good.
You see that way.
You good left?
Yeah, you got that way as well.
Visual testing time with Decat. Careful, it's really bumpy down here. Quick.
What?
It's quick.
Well, for the looks of that, I mean, it's a bit bumpy to try and perfectly gauge it, but
Yeah, you can't really send it, can you? Because I'm bouncing
I think it's making me a half PSI more.
Wow.
So maybe around 9 or something.
Fucking hell.
It feels a bit quicker as well.
It feels rapid. It's such a different experience, fast rear wheel drive, than it is like Evo fast rear
Yeah.
like all wheel drive.
Especially old fast as well. It just
You can just tell it's pushing you from behind.
I think we hit nearly 10 PSI there.
Really? Wow.
We'll go down this bit, it's a bit less bumpy.
Yeah, you're loving it. I mean, I'm loving it as well. Pulls hard in third.
It does. Third's the fucking gear.
Fucking hell. That's awesome though.
It goes, doesn't it?
Yeah, but
We're definitely making 9 at a minimum. So
that's impressive though.
It's about a PSI more than it was making with the Cat.
That's impressive for such a small change of like
Yeah.
thing. Wow. That was great.
It's fucking hard. This car is better every time I try.
Wow. It's
Definitely louder as well up. Once you hit drop off, what the fuck's it called? Whatever the cam thing is on SRs, I forget what they're called, it might be VVTI, something like that. But you can definitely tell once you drop off that, you can tell it gets much more raspy than it used to.
proper race car sounds now. That's what we like.
It might even be. It might go quicker than that because it does have a buggered clutch in it at the moment as well.
I think so. Get a good clutch in
When
it.
we went right up to the limiter in third or second when we went just before we spun around at the crossroads.
Yeah.
I could feel then it hit it in the clutch, went in third, and the clutch just didn't want anything to do with it.
Better than bloody whatever it's called though. When we went to that Sturgate Straight thing, that was.
Yeah, at least it still went into gear.
Yeah. Good testing though, very good. Just need to sort out Matt's car now, which is pretty much done anyway. You won't see any more testing of Matt's because you basically had the sound clip of that. It's just us basically addressing the exhaust putty on it. But yeah, much fun. Now you've got. I'm going to jump out now and attempt to guide Craig.
That's definitely louder.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Oh, it's a lot of smell.
Yeah, we're getting choked out here. Thanks, Carl. I'm going to start the video now. So we've done Matt's car, just put some putty on it, which you can kind of see some of it squirting out there, and I'll just quickly show you the said bottle of stuff that we've used. Ooh. That stuff, just from Halfords, just standard putty stuff. That with tightening up the bolts an extra amount, should be all sound really. So I won't do any more clips on that as such because you've kind of seen the sound clips and it's now sorted, there's no exhaust leak, like it's just a tiny amount. And then obviously you've seen Craig's car, a little bit of a mixer video, but this is an exhaust video for all the exhaust fans out there. But it's a really good one, it's pretty simple I'd say in general, but it's exhausting. Phrase of the day. But yeah, thanks for watching, until next time guys, catch you later.